Welcome back to Enchanting English. Do the words quite, rather and fairly confuse you? Well, then this video is for you. Fairly, rather, quite. These words are adverbs. To be precise, they are adverbs of degree. Remember, these words cannot be used interchangeably. All these words mean moderately. It means to a certain extent. But these words cannot be used interchangeably. Well, let's see how the word fairly is used. Fairly is used with adverbs or adjectives that give a positive or favorable meaning. For example, she has performed fairly well in the examination. In the sentence, we mean that she did not perform very well in the examination. You mean that to a certain extent she has performed well. So you may mean that generally she doesn't perform well, but in this examination she has done comparatively better. Let's now see how the adverb rather is used. Rather is used with words that give a negative or unfavorable meaning. For example, the manager spoke rather rudely to his subordinates. Remember, in this sentence, rudely is the adverb and you use rather before rudely to intensify its meaning. Rudely is of course a negative quality. Hence, we use not fairly here but rather. Let's now see how the adverb quite is used. Quite can be used with words that give favorable meaning and unfavorable meaning. It means it can be used with a positive adjective or a negative adjective or adverb. So we can say the players played quite well. And you can also say the players played quite badly. Well is a positive quality. We have used quite there. Badly is a negative quality. We have used quite there. So it's okay to use quite for both favorable and unfavorable meaning. Let's now move on to a task to check your understanding. Here's the first one. The new manager was dash inefficient. You have two options here, fairly and rather. Look at the adjective used there. It is inefficient, which is negative quality. So the right answer is rather. Number 2, it was dash fine weather. The options are quite and rather. We have to place the adverb before fine, which is positive quality, and hence we take quite and not rather. Third question, she managed the situation dash skillfully. You have two options here, pretty and rather. Look at the adverb used skillfully, which is positive in meaning, and hence we use pretty. The fourth one, the story was dash uninteresting. The options are fairly and rather. Look at the adjective used there, uninteresting, which is negative in meaning. So we cannot use fairly. Your answer is rather. Let's now move on to the fifth one. The dancers danced dash mesmerizingly. Your options are pretty and rather. Look at the adverb mesmerizingly, which is positive in meaning. So we use pretty. The sixth one, I understood the concept dash clearly. You have two options, quite and rather. Clearly is the adverb given here, and of course it is positive in meaning. So we use quite and not rather, so the answer is quite. The seventh one, she is a dash insolent person. You have two options, rather and fairly. Look at the adjective insolent, which means lack of respect. So it is negative in meaning. So we use rather here, not fairly. The eighth one, Ria is dash humble by nature. What is the adjective used here? Humble, which is of course a positive quality, and hence we use quite and not rather. Let's have a quick recap now. We learned fairly, quite and rather today. Fairly is used before positive adjective or adverbs. Rather is used before negative adjectives or adverbs, and quite is used both before positive and negative adjective and adverb. I hope the session was very useful to you, and I have a quiz for you. Priya presented her assignment dash neatly. Will you use quite or rather here? Put your answer in your comment. Please don't forget to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.